Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on hand strength meter on Teen Patti Gold. So let's get started. First, launch the Teen Patti Gold game. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Locate the hand strength meter option and tap on the toggle switch right next to it to turn it on. Finally, tap on the OK button. When the switch is activated, the hand strength meter is enabled in the game. And this is how you can turn on hand strength meter on Teen Patti Gold. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.